very lucky and proud to be here in Lipetsk. I want to thank the federation which organized this amazing competition and event that let us go further for our preparation looking forward Paris 2024.
Цели высокие, серьезные. Олимпийский сезон. Готовимся к завершению олимпийского сезона. Готовимся к Олимпийским играм. Очень удобно.
Federation is supporting the athletes in the physical preparation, mental activation, and also with us. So to me, it's a big pleasure to be here to visit the country, the city, and to support the athletes itself.